Alright guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabriel and today we're going to be working on this 2017 Chevy Silverado that I just bought from the auction, and let's get to it. Hey guys, so I can see I already started working on the truck. It came with the front end with the lights, the grill, and the hood was actually right here at the bottom, the front end. So the bumper is completely total. I need to get another one. It was lifted as well. It had some rims on it, and they took off all the suspension. They took off the rims, and I need to fix the suspension. So it doesn't have that many things. It was missing a headlight. I already have it, and that's pretty much it. Also, the interior. It does, the airbags did pop. The handle doesn't work. But as you can see, I'm putting a different interior on it. The airbags pop, so I'm fixing up the headliner as well. Other little things here and there. And just keep following me for more updates. Hey guys, so we took off all the interior. Now we're just gonna clean up all the inside, get all the tools out of the way, everything out the way, vacuum the carpet, so we can start working on the headliner and putting in the new roof bags. So see you in a bit. Cleaned up the carpet, took up all the tools, all the screws and everything, and the carpet's still a little bit dirty in some spots, but I'm gonna clean it towards the end. First I'm gonna change the headliner. I'm gonna change the airbags. I already have them, so we're gonna have to remove all all the stuff that it has, bring it down, and then put the airbags. So I'm already taking off all the screws on this side, and then this is the old airbag. As you can see, it's already ugly, but I'm gonna take off the brackets in the back for the left side, the right side, and the left side on that side with all the screws. I couldn't manage to bring down the headliner because I had to disconnect everything from that side, so I'm just gonna leave it as is and just try to work around it. I'm gonna try to get the view as visual as possible. As you can see, these are the airbags. Let me see if I can get closer. Yeah, this is the airbag. I have to disconnect it from here, from this bracket. Take out these screws, put the new ones on there, and I'll be able to put the headliner back in place. I'm gonna have to take off these the trim as well from this side and the other side, but we're getting there. Hey guys, so we got the first airbag put on there. Everything looks good. I was having a hard time with this particular connection. So since I bought the new airbags from a junkyard, when I was disconnecting, I was trying to connect the plug onto the new one right here. It had the old plastic in there stuck, and I didn't realize it. So this connection did not want to mount. Did not want to mount in here. So I had to take off the old plastic and this plastic and put it on the new one. But we're good. We're gonna put on the left side and put up the headliner back in place, and then we can put all the interior back on there. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I was able to remove the seats, I was able to clean the carpet, I was able to put in the new airbags. I couldn't put in the headliner because it got dark on me, but that's gonna be for part 2 of this video for this 2017 Chevrolet Silverado. Man, it's a great truck. It runs and drives good as well. It has some little things that I still need to fix. You're gonna hear it running in an upcoming video as well. So just like, subscribe my channel, and see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.